there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer chimichangas. You can make these in the air fryer or the Ninja Foodi, and you can also make them gluten-free as well if that's a need. So the first thing we're going to need to do is get all of our ingredients. You will need a pound of ground beef, a package of taco seasoning, half a cup of refried beans, and half a cup of shredded Colby Jack cheese, along with 10 flour tortillas if they are taco size or 5 if they are burrito size. You can also use gluten-free flour tortillas or corn tortillas that you have warmed up if you want, but flour works the best for this. So first you'll go ahead and get those ingredients ready. So that is what I'm doing here. I've got everything laid out. You also may want toppings such as salsa or queso or sour cream to go on top of them. So we're going to go ahead and use a medium-sized skillet on medium-high heat and brown the beef. You'll add in that taco seasoning as instructed on the package. If you're using homemade, add in your homemade seasoning along with 2 tablespoons of water and just heat that through. And then you're going to go ahead and add your refried beans right into that pan and then mix them all together. Now this is going to be the stuffing for the chimichangas, so we are going to use our tortillas and add this mixture right on top there, and then we'll top it with cheese. So I've got that all added there, and then we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. Now to wrap it up, you want to think of it like wrapping up an envelope or folding an envelope. So that's what I'm doing here. You can see that with this image. And then we're going to go ahead and spray the air fryer basket with grapeseed oil spray, and you can place them evenly to fit in your basket, or you can use a tray like I did here, and I used a air fryer oven. So you can do it either way, and then you can go ahead and place them in the basket or tray, seam side down, and you just want to make sure they've got room on all sides to properly cook in the air fryer. Once you've got that done, I like to give them a little coat of grapeseed oil spray again on top, just to get them nice and browned while they're cooking. And then we're going to air fry these at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Check on them around 5 minutes. Most of the air fryer machines all heat differently, so that way you get an idea if they're cooking okay, they may be ready, or you may need to leave them in longer. So you just want to check on them around 5 minutes. So now that they're done, we pull them out and top them with sour cream, salsa or tomatoes, and fresh cilantro. We also like doing these with queso. You can see the inside here is nice and delicious. You can serve them with a side of rice or Mexican street corn, anything that you want to serve them with. But you can find this complete recipe over on airfryerfanatics.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next one. Thanks for tuning in today.